Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this wash and go that I did. So stay tuned. So first you're going to take some water, and this is the first product, Shea Moisture Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Cream. You're going to spritz your hair with some water. You can find that water bottle at Sally's. And you're going to take a dime-sized amount of that product. And you're going to apply that to the section that you'll be working on. And I actually use a little bit more product as I go along. And you're going to brush that through with your Demon brush. You can find that Demon brush at Sally's. It's $9. And it works wonderfully. Helps to define those curls. Brush that through really good. My hair is thick, so I really have to make sure that it is brushed through. And this is a water-based product, so if your hair does not like water-based products, this may not work for you. Next, you're going to take your Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Correct Styling Gel. You're going to apply that to the section, dime-size amount. Next, you're going to take your olive oil Eco Styler gel, dime-size amount, and apply it to each section. The next section, you're just going to do this process throughout your whole head with those 3 products. I did the majority of my hair off camera, but it takes me about maybe 30 to 40 minutes to do this whole process. just applying a little bit more product at the top, because where that part is where the hair is going to be separated, and I just don't want it to get puffy. I want the curls to be nice and defined. White stuff you guys see, that's just the product. As my hair dries, that white product, it'll disappear. It will not be white. Just working a little bit more underneath of my neck because I did that section earlier and it's probably a little bit dry now. Had to pop those lips though because the hair. This is the finished product and I am very satisfied with it. This is very easy. My hair moves as you can see, and I did my makeup off camera. Thanks guys.